Happy morning to all. I am Lakshmi. I am happy to meet you all again through this video. This video gives you the explanation for this poem, Lessons in Life by Daniel Ho and Bridget Brian. Unit 2 poem, first and second stanzas. Dear students, what do you feel when you met your friend after a long time? I know you feel very happy and you share your feelings and emotions and happiness with your friends, isn't it? Now I want to ask another one question. Building a friendship with someone is easy or difficult? Why? Is it easy to make friendship with others or difficult to be friendship with others? If it is, why? For this question, everybody have different answers, isn't it? We going to see the first stanza now. Having a friend is like planting a flower. Show love and kindness, it one day will bloom. Let's be aware as we walk on this planet, even the tiniest creature needs room. What they told in this poem, they are comparing the friendship with the planting a flower. I ask one question to you. Is it easy to growing a flower one day? Only one day. Is it easy? No, it's not easy. It needs a lot of care to grow a flower. And also we have handled the plant gently, then only it will bloom. In the same way, we should show love and kindness to our friends. Okay, then only our friendship will be bloom. What's the meaning of bloom? Bloom means it's a blossom of flowers, isn't it? In the third line, let's be aware as we walk on this planet. Planet means here they say on the earth. On this planet means on this earth. We have to be aware. Always we be aware as we walk on this planet. Even the tiniest creature. What is the meaning of tiniest? Tiniest means very smallest. Creature means, here the word creature means all living things. All the living things needs room here. Needs a place on the earth. Okay. In second stanza, lessons in life are not always so simple. Lessons in life aren't always so simple. Nothing you are given will ever come free. Even the smallest of gifts deserves thank you. I respect you and you respect. I think of you and you think of me. What these lines tells us, lessons in life are not always so simple. Sometimes it's being difficult. Okay, isn't it? During this lockdown period, we learned many things. The life teaches. Sometimes our life is difficult, and also it taught the lesson. We always be healthy, and we have to save the money for future, isn't it? And another line says, nothing you are given will ever come free. What this line telling? We learn many things in life. They are not simple. We cannot get anything free. Okay. We cannot get anything free in this world. Okay. And even the smallest gift deserves thank you. If anyone gives a gift means what will you say? You say thank you, no? Sometimes if you get the smallest gifts means, how do you feel? What gift they are giving? You are you are sometimes thinking like that. But in this line what comes to say with us? We must say thank you for the person who gives the smallest gifts to us. Okay. And another line, I respect you and you respect. These lines are saying we have to always give respect to each and every people. And another line, I think of you and you think of me. We have to think we have to think of the other persons and they have to think of us. Okay. I want to recall these first two stanzas. These lines tells us we have to give love and kindness to our friendship, like a planting a flower. Then only it will be happy, it will be bloom. Okay. And another line tells us we have to give respect to all the tiniest creatures. All the living things needs the place on the earth. Lessons in life are not always so simple. Nothing you are given will ever come free. We learn many lessons in our life. They are not so simple. We cannot get anything free. If anyone gives a small gift, we must say thank you to them. We have to respect the people. Okay.